again, guys. Marvin with JaguarTopRepair.com. Just getting in from my 14-hour trip from Des Moines out to Des Moines, Iowa. It's been a pretty good trip. Lots of farms. Definitely a lot of farms, but still the same great service, still the same great price. Doing a little bit more driving now because of the coronavirus, but I just wanted to let you guys know that I'm not going to leave you hanging. If you have a convertible top that you need to get repaired, I will make a way out to your home or your place of business to fix the convertible top. I still do same day service, so typically what I like to do is I like to start early in the morning, and usually I'm finished by supper time. So I never have any back order on parts. I usually travel with enough parts in my car for 3 or 4 vehicles, because you just never know how many times I'm going to get called while I'm out on the road. So it's been good to keep extra supplies on me while I'm traveling. I usually end up coming back, getting back home and having used most of my supplies, so that's a good thing. Yeah, I'm in a place where I can help a lot of you guys. But again, please just give me a call. Let me know where you need me to be, and I'll make sure that I make it happen for you. And a lot of times, you guys are also going to find out that I'm 70, almost 80% cheaper than the Jag dealer. So pick up the phone, give me a call, 888-317-9340. Thanks a lot, guys.